CapCut has released a new version on mobile, version 16.0, which comes with new effects, transitions, stickers, and AI tools. But you can't use them because you are having this annoying no internet error issues or export issues, and too many people are using this feature now. Try again later. Then, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix these issues in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. So if you are using CapCut in countries where CapCut is unavailable, you will need a VPN, and in this video, I will be using Turbo VPN for this tutorial. And if you want to download it, go to your Play Store on your mobile. Then tap on the search icon and search for Turbo VPN, and that's the VPN we want. And you will have two options, which are Turbo VPN and Turbo VPN Lite. So tap on the Turbo VPN to open it, and that's what we will be downloading. Now, download it and open it. And as you can see, I have already downloaded, so I will proceed to open it. And note that since we are using the free version, you will encounter a lot of ads. So just close it and continue with the tutorial. So after opening Turbo VPN, you will have an interface like this. And to connect to the VPN, come and tap on the caret icon right here. Then wait for a few seconds for the VPN to be connected, and always make sure you have internet connection. Our VPN has been connected, and as you can see, it has been connected to Canada's server. And Turbo also allows you to change to other servers. And to do that, come and tap on the serve location right here. And you can change the location to some of their free VPN server locations here, and I'm going to change mine to Singapore. So just tap on the server you want and wait for a while for it to be connected, which takes a few seconds. Now, after connecting your VPN, make sure you close CapCut from your previously opened apps. Then, after that, force stop CapCut, and this will stop any CapCut activities in background. And to do that, tap and hold on CapCut's icon on your screen till this dialog box appears, and tap on App Info. And as you can see from here, I'm using the latest CapCut version 16.0. Now, tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK to continue with the process. Now when you are done, open CapCut app. Now, as you can see, my templates are loading just fine with no issues. And if we go to Edit and open a project, our effects, transitions and stickers will load just fine without any issues. So this is how to solve no internet error issues or export issues, and too many people are using this feature now. Try again later. So if you like this video, then give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell, and also let me know if this worked for you, and if it didn't, in the comment below. We'll see you in the next video.